Hi viewers, let's discuss tips for improving your credit score today. Improving your credit score is essential for accessing better financial opportunities, such as lower interest rates on loans, higher credit limits, and approval for rental applications or mortgages. Here are some valuable tips for improving your credit score. 1. Check your credit report regularly. Start by obtaining a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and review them for any errors or discrepancies. Incorrect information could negatively impact your credit score, so dispute any inaccuracies promptly. 2. Pay your bills on time. Consistently paying your bills on time is one of the most important factors in determining your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure that you never miss a payment deadline. Even a single late payment can significantly impact your credit score. 3. Reduce credit card balances. Aim to keep your credit card balances low relative to your credit limits. High credit utilization ratios can negatively affect your credit score. Paying down credit card debt and keeping balances below 30% of your available credit limit can help improve your credit score. 4. Avoid opening too many accounts. While having a mix of credit accounts can be beneficial for your credit score, opening too many new accounts within a short period can lower your score. Only apply for new credit accounts when necessary, and be mindful of the potential impact on your credit score. 5. Don't close unused credit accounts. Closing old or unused credit accounts can reduce your overall available credit and potentially increase your credit utilization ratio. Keep old accounts open, especially if they have a positive payment history, to maintain a longer credit history and improve your credit score. 6. Diversify your credit mix. Having a diverse mix of credit accounts, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your credit score. However, only take on additional credit accounts if you can manage them responsibly. 7. Be strategic about credit inquiries. Limit the number of hard inquiries on your credit report, as they can temporarily lower your credit score. When shopping for loans or credit cards, try to complete your applications within a short time frame to minimize the impact on your score. 8. Use credit responsibly. Practice responsible credit habits by only borrowing what you can afford to repay and avoiding excessive debt. Use credit cards sparingly and only for purchases you can pay off in full each month to avoid accruing high-interest debt. 9. Be patient and persistent. Improving your credit score takes time and consistent effort. Be patient and persistent in implementing positive credit habits, and monitor your progress regularly. By implementing these tips and adopting responsible credit habits, you can take control of your credit score and work towards achieving a healthier financial future.